Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 23rd, 2024. Now, the grain markets had a great start to the week here yesterday. A lot of green candles, a lot of happy faces on farmers, and prices are moving in the direction that they want them to. So we'll see if this bear market rally continues. And we'll keep monitoring that and let you know what we see here. But in the meantime here, let's look at light crude oil futures. This is the most interesting chart to me at the moment. And you might remember a few weeks ago here where we brought attention to the price testing this blue anchored VWAP from the March 22 high. And what that means is that's the average price paid per contract holder since that period of time. And we looked at the confluence of that along with these yellow trend lines. Now, the key to drawing trend lines is they should be drawn with a crayon and not a pencil. And there's no real one way to draw a trend line. I like to draw them from the candle bodies, connecting the candle bodies. Other people use the candle wicks. So in this example here, I drew trend lines from the top of the wicks and the top of the candle bodies, creating a band of trend line bandwidth is probably the proper way to draw a trend line. So anyways, what we looked at here is we saw the test of the trend line, saw the test of the anchored VWAP, this blue line here, and we anticipated the price could have a reaction there, possible rejection, just a possible slowdown, but we were looking at that key level, and that was 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and it happened already. So the price, we got the rejection there, the price has come back down, and now it's testing this purple 200-week moving average. Now, you might ask, what is the 200-week moving average and why is it significant? Well, the point is, it has been significant way back, all this year, back into the spring of this year. When the price gets down to the 200-week moving average, buyers step in and push the price higher. Will it happen this time? I'm not sure. This is to be the fourth test of the 200-week moving average, and each test, it gets weaker, meaning you start exhausting the buyers at that price level. So we want to keep an eye on that. If the 200-week moving average does not hold, then we look for this yellow trend line down here. And again, I just drew the candle bodies, and perhaps maybe on a later video I'll draw from the candle wicks, but I do the candle bodies as my preference. But again, there is no right or wrong. You look for a best fit line on the trend line. That's what I feel I've done here. So let's just see how the price reacts to this level here. It's at that 77.56 level this morning, and let's see if that holds. If it does, then we see a rally to the higher. If not, we can see a pullback in the price, probably down to that $65 area. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's smoky in Saskatoon. Life is good.